Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham. I'm in Sydney at the 2025 RIU Resources Roundup, having a chat with Marc Ducler from Astral Resources. Marc, good to see you.
Yeah, likewise.
Astral Resources, there's has been a bit of action with Astral recently. You take over of Maximus Resources. Excuse me. Just talk us through that, what it means for the company, and and what have you got planned for the immediate future?
Yeah, well, I think the best way to think about that Maximus transaction is it was effectively a well-executed land grab. We have a really big project at Mandilla. I think it was 26 million ore tonnes, 160 million waste tonnes when we did the scoping study. The pre-fees is going to be double that, and realistically, we needed somewhere to store waste, and that's what that Maximus transaction brings for us.
All right, so basically next door, and there it was.
Yeah, well, we came up with a conceptual waste dump design prior to approaching Maximus, and we saw the opportunity to save about $30 million just by building a better waste dump design. The transaction's circa $30 million, so there are ounces there. It's a prospective tenement package, and all of that actually comes for free because our waste dump is going to pay for that transaction.
Okay, so that aside, what sort of action do you think we're going to see from Astral over the immediate future?
Well, our key focus is on delivering the pre-feasibility. That's due in the next 8 weeks. We'll put it out before the end of June. And I think when I look at that, we've got all the key inputs that are going to drive that pre-feas. I know the processing costs are coming in 15% above where we were at scoping, but similarly mining is coming in at 10% less than we were at scoping. Those two costs are going to net each other out. The study from a production perspective is going to be 60 to 75% bigger than we were at scoping. So we have this unique situation where the gold price is up over 50%, the number of ounces we're going to produce is up well over 50%, and the OPEX costs are going to be flat. So I can't wait to put out that study. It's going to show some cracking financials.
Yeah, so everything's go, basically.
Yeah, look, we're well capitalised. We've got research now with Euros Hartleys, Canaccord, Petra. The institutional representation on the register is climbing. Yep. So all the key things you need to present yourself as a genuine developer, we've got all those ingredients now. So it should be a good year.
You say you're attracting some good instos onto the register.
Yeah, we've actually had them crossing stock off market at a premium less than a month ago. So we're in a good spot for sure.
Yeah, well, that's always a good indication that you must be doing something right.
Yeah, well, I like to think so.
Yeah, no worries. All right, well, that seems to be going quite well, and no doubt we'll be hearing some good news coming out. There'll be the pre-fees coming out before June, but after that, it sounds like there's going to be a string of good news coming out.
Yeah, well, look, we're drilling at the moment, so I've got an announcement that I'm working on now. So we've got drill results coming out on Camperman, we've got metallurgical test results for Camperman, and given the rigs are turning at the moment, there'll be that constant news flow as well.
Yep.
So we'll be advancing the exploration play, but then doing all the necessary technical work we need to be able to take the project into production.
No worries. Oh, look forward to hearing all about it. Look forward to catching up when it starts kicking off. But until then, Marc, it's great to see you again.
Cheers. Thanks very much, Wally.